Ever wonder why some conversations change your day while others just don't? The secret? Mindful communication. It's not magic, but it might as well be. Imagine this. In the heat of an argument, Tara pauses. Just one breath. That's her secret weapon. This isn't just any pause. It's a moment packed with intention, turning battlegrounds into common ground. Her approach? Listen deeply, speak truthfully, and let kindness lead. Suddenly, an argument isn't just noise. It's a path to understanding. Mindful communication is like a dance. It's about knowing when to step forward with your words and when to step back and listen. It's about seeing beyond words, catching what's unsaid. Ever noticed how a simple, "How are you?" can feel shallow or deep depending on how it's asked? That depth? That's mindful communication. Your toolkit for meaningful dialogues. 1. Listen with everything. Not just with your ears, but with your eyes, heart, and undivided attention. It's about catching the unspoken vibes. 2. Speak your truth gently. Truth doesn't have to be a hammer, it can be a bridge. Ask yourself, is my truth constructive? Is it necessary? Is it kind? 3. The golden pause. Before you dive into a reply, take a breath. This tiny gap between hearing and speaking is where wisdom lives. 4. Gratitude is gold. Ending with thank you isn't just polite. It acknowledges the value of the exchange, making even tough conversations feel worthwhile. Challenge. Next time you're in a conversation, any conversation, use these tools. See how it shifts the energy, the connection, the outcome. And hey, share your stories below. Did a pause change the game? Did gratitude turn the tide? Let's start a chain reaction of mindful communication. Mindful communication can turn your world from black and white into vibrant color. It's the difference between talking at someone and talking with someone. It's real connection. Craving more life-changing principles like this? Smash that like button, share this wisdom, and don't forget to subscribe for your next step towards a vibrant life. Your journey to deeper connections is just beginning. Stay tuned, stay connected, and let's make every conversation count. Until next time, keep living wisely.